Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and in this video we're going to do something totally different. We're going to go through my 8 cars and discuss the 0 to 60 time of each. We'll go from slowest to fastest. Now remember, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends so our channel can grow, and leave a comment below which of these 8 cars is your favorite. Check out my second YouTube channel called Glenn Real Estate Expert, which is everything about real estate. All right. So without further ado, we'll go through the 8 cars. We'll start with the slowest car and move our way. At the end of the video, we'll get to the fastest car. Remember to leave a comment below. All right, so the first and slowest car that I own is this 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This does not have a Hemi engine. It just has a V6, and the 0 to 60 time is about 8 seconds, and it feels slow. All right, so now for the next car on our list is my 2005 Acura NSX. Now this is what they call an NA2 car, which has the bigger engine producing 290 horsepower, made it to a 6-speed manual transmission. This color is called Long Beach Blue Pearl, and this car is a 2005, which is the last year for the original NSX. And it has a 0 to 60 time of about 5 seconds flat. Next on our list is my 2001 Bmw Z3 M Coupe. Now this has the rare S54 engine from the E46 M3, which in this guise produces 315 horsepower, and it's mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. This is also the lightest car I own. It weighs just over 3,100 pounds, and I can tell you it is a blast to drive. Now it's rear-wheel drive. And according to Car and Driver, puts down a 0 to 60 time of 4.8 seconds. Here in the United States, these cars were only available in model years 2001 and 2002. All right, the next car on our list is also a BMW. Can you guess which one it is? This is my 2011 Bmw One Series M. Now this car puts down about 335 horsepower. It only comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. It is rear drive, and here in the United States it was only made for one model year, which was 2011. According to Car and Driver, it puts down a 0 to 60 time of 4.5 seconds. And we have a BMW again for next on our list. This is my 2016 Long Beach Blue, not to be confused with Long Beach Blue Pearl on my NSX, but Long Beach Blue Bmw M2. It has a 6-speed manual transmission. And according to the car magazines, puts down a 0 to 60 time of 4.4 seconds. Next on our list is my 2014 Mercedes Gla 45 AMG. Now this car I recently sold to get my new daily driver, but when I was filming this I still had it. This car has all-wheel drive, 355 horsepower, 7-speed dual clutch transmission, and can put down a 0 to 60 time of 4.2 seconds. All right, now we start getting to the faster cars. This is my 1996 Porsche 993 Turbo. And nothing sounds as good as an air-cooled car. This car makes, in United States horsepower, 400 horsepower. It only comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, and it weighs approximately 3,300 pounds. And with its all-wheel drive, it puts down a 0 to 60 time of 3.7 seconds. Alright, we have one more car to go on the list, and the fastest car was not the Porsche Turbo. The fastest car I own by 0 to 60 time is this, my new daily driver, my 2013 Audi Si. So my biggest, heaviest car is actually my fastest car. Now this is powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that's also found in the Bentley Continental GT. According to Audi, this puts down 520 horsepower. Now, Motor Trend dynoed one in this car, and it was really putting close to like 580. And that is why explains why it's so fast. Again, 4,600 pounds, all-wheel drive. And that all-wheel drive and horsepower helps rocket this luxury beast to a time of 3.5 seconds, according to Motor Trend and Car and Driver. So can you believe it? My biggest, heaviest car is the fastest. Thanks again for watching, guys. We will see you next time. Take care.